When you enter Bishop Ranch 1, you'll see up on the right-hand side is 6101 Bollinger Canyon Road. So you're gonna enter into that building. And for parking, you drive around here, you see the large fountain, make a left, and there's lots of parking here. After you parked in the parking area, come over to this building that's on the right where it says 6101 Bollinger Canyon Road. Walk up to the entrance. Enter the building through the lobby. The elevators are up here on the right-hand side and go up to the 3rd floor. After you come off the elevator, you'll be on the 3rd floor. Make a right, make another right, and then you're here at suite 335A, and use the entry code to enter the office.